You are going to love the 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window wiper. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.